AI is not going to make you rich overnight, and anyone selling an AI bot that guarantees profits is scamming you. But used right, AI can take all the fear and confusion out of investing for a beginner. I'll show you exactly how to use it as your free tutor and assistant. Let's be clear, AI is a tool to help you learn and organize, not a crystal ball. It cannot predict the market. The value isn't magic stock picks, it's that AI removes the number one thing that stops beginners: confusion. We'll use it to understand investing and build a simple plan, not to hand it your money. Step 1, the best use of all. Turn AI into a patient tutor that never judges. Ask any AI chatbot to explain things in plain English. Try, explain index funds like I'm 15, or what's the difference between a stock and an ETF? Follow-up questions forever, your pace, until it clicks. That's worth more than most paid courses. Step 2. Use AI to cut through jargon. Paste a confusing paragraph from a fund's website and ask AI to explain it simply, or compare two account types in a table. It's brilliant at translating finance speak into normal words. One rule: AI can be confidently wrong, so treat it as a smart study buddy, not gospel. Step 3. The most hands-off option, a robo-advisor. Legitimate regulated apps that use algorithms to build and manage a diversified portfolio for you automatically based on your goals. Low fees, no expertise required, set up automatic deposits, and it handles the rest. For a beginner who wants AI to genuinely do the investing, this is the real safe version. Step 4. Let AI help you make a plan and stick to it. Ask it to walk you through setting up automatic investing or explain dollar cost averaging. And here's a clever one: when the market drops and you feel like panic selling, ask AI to remind you why long-term investors stay the course. Surprisingly good for keeping your emotions in check. The safety rules: 1. Never invest in something just because AI told you to. Use it to understand, then you decide. 2. Never share account logins or full account numbers with a public AI tool. 3. AI has no idea what's actually best for your life. It's an assistant, not your financial advisor. The big mistake right now: chasing AI stock picking services and AI trading bots that promise guaranteed returns. These are some of the most common scams. If it were that easy, they wouldn't be selling it to you. AI informs and teaches. It does not guarantee. Keep it in its lane. So, use AI as your free tutor to decode jargon and to build a simple plan. Consider a robo-advisor if you want it truly hands-off, and never blindly trust it or hand it your logins. That's how AI actually helps a beginner invest. Subscribe to Never Taught That, the money lesson school skipped. See you next time. If this helped, smash that like button and hit subscribe. Tap the bell so the next one finds you the moment it drops. And drop a money question in the comments below. I read every single one. Next up on Never Taught That: how to use AI to see exactly where your money goes, in about 5 minutes. See you there.